Google Cloud can help your startup grow faster. If you're a startup founder, you know how challenging it is to build, scale, and innovate your business in a competitive and fast-changing market. You need a cloud platform that can support your vision, provide you with the best tools and resources, and help you save time and money. That's why thousands of startups around the world choose Google Cloud as their cloud partner. Google Cloud offers a range of benefits for startups of all stages, from early to backed with equity funding. Here are some of the reasons why you should consider Google Cloud for your startup. The Google for Startups Cloud program provides your startup with access to product and technical support, dedicated mentors, industry experts, cloud cost coverage up to $200,000 over your first 2 years in the program, and much more. Depending on your stage in funding, you can receive up to $2,000 in credits to use over 2 years to help your startup get up and running on Google Cloud, or up to $100,000 in credits for your first year, plus 20% of Google Cloud and Firebase usage cost covered in year 2, up to an additional $100,000 in credits if you're backed with equity funding. You can also access Google-wide perks and discounts for Google Workspace, Google Domains, Google Maps platform, and more. Google Cloud is the leader in AI and Web3 innovation, offering you the opportunity to build the next generation of AI and Web3 applications with the best of Google's infrastructure, products, and foundation models. AI-first startups can take advantage of Google Cloud's OpenAI ecosystem and tap into generative AI, natural language processing, computer vision, and much more. Web3 projects and startups can focus on innovation over infrastructure as they build their decentralized apps, Web3 tooling, services, and more. Google Cloud also provides dedicated AI and Web3 training, webinars, events, experts, and grants to help you succeed in these domains. Google Cloud's managed services, secure global infrastructure, leading technology, and serverless architecture enables you to scale your startup faster and smarter without worrying about the underlying complexity. You can rely on Google Cloud's automatic scaling, high availability, performance, and security to meet your real-time demand and your customer expectations while only paying for what you use. You can also get guidance and support from your dedicated startup success manager and Google Cloud engineers, as well as upskill your team with training and workshops. If you're ready to take your startup to the next level with Google Cloud, you can apply for the Google for Startups Cloud program today. You'll need to meet the eligibility criteria, which includes having a tech-based product, being in an approved territory, and having less than $10 million in annual revenue. Once you're accepted, you'll be able to access all the benefits and resources that Google Cloud has to offer for your startup. You'll also join the Google Cloud's global community of startups, experts, investors, and partners, and explore growth opportunities and network with like-minded peers.